Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and create a Walmart account right there on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply go ahead, open your desired browser in your mobile phone. Once you do it, go to search bar and type in walmart.com. That will basically help you land on this kind of interface. What you can do is you can simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line given on top left corner of your mobile phone, tap on it, then you will see sign in or create account option. Go ahead, tap on that one. Now you will go ahead, enter your email address that you want your account to be associated with. Then go ahead, tap on this continue option. Now you gotta enter your first name. Now go ahead, create a password for yourself, and then go ahead, tap on this create account option finally. And then you will have to verify your account. For your account security, will send a verification code to your mobile phone. Now you will have to enter your mobile number, tap on send code. Once you are done entering your number, you will have to enter a verification code that you will get in the added number of your mobile phone. Then we'll tap on this verify and create account, and your account will be created. And make sure to remember all your password for next time if you get logged out, to get logged in right there, and you're good to go. You will be done. So yes guys, this is basically it, and this is how you can create your account. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.